The next topic is gain scheduling. Gain scheduling is an approach to control non-linear systems by using a family of linear controllers. Each of these linear controllers provides satisfactory control for a different operating point of the system. That is, here a non-linear system is controlled by a combination of linear controllers. Each linear controller works satisfactorily in a particular operating condition. Here, one or more observable variables. Observable variable means those variables which are sensed by the sensor of the system, or called scheduling variables, are used to determine what operating region the system is currently in and to enable the appropriate linear controller which works satisfactorily in that operating condition. For example, in flight control system, the altitude and Mach number are the scheduling variables. These are sensed by the sensors of the aeroplane. So that based on these scheduling variables, we can plug in appropriate linear controllers for various combination of these two variables like altitude and Mach number. The system consists of two loops. Inner loop composed of the process and the controller, and the outer loop adjusts the controller parameters on the basis of the operating conditions. That is, the scheduling variables are those which correlate well with the operating condition. Gain scheduling can be regarded as a mapping from the process parameters or the operating condition to controller parameters. Then, what are the steps included in gain scheduling? First, find suitable scheduling variables, that is, the variables that characterize the operating conditions. Then the scheduling variable range is condensed into a number of discrete operating points. The controller parameters are determined by automatic tuning when the system is running in one operating condition. The obtained controller parameter values are then stored in a lookup table. The procedure is repeated until all the operating conditions are covered. That is, the procedure is repeated for all the altitudes and Mach number combinations. In this way, it is easy to install gain scheduling into a computer controlled system. That is, in this way, we can install the gain scheduling using a program, computer program. The only facility required is a table for storing and recalling the controller parameters. The main drawback of gain scheduling is the parameter variation outside the operating condition. It is not possible to get the data from the lookup table. Also, not possible to implement for all operating conditions. The main application is in flight control system.